Well, here we are in the Karoo on our Karoo is calling tour, and sometimes the Karoo eats up your tires because of this fine little shale. It's like little needles, and so that's why we have a support vehicle, because this tire is now done. The Karoo has chewed it up completely. So what we'll do, we'll just change the tire for another tire, right? But I just want to say a big thanks to Big Country, because it's 40 degrees out here and I'm changing a tire in the shade. That's the ostrich wing, fitting for the Karoo because there's lots of ostriches out here, and I really wouldn't want to be changing this tire on the side of the road in the boiling hot sun. So big thanks, Big Country.